So, got to the shop, wanted to get right into work. I left work, I got to the shop, I brought the camera equipment, I brought the GoPro, extra batteries, everything I need for a good night in the shop. Except for clothes. So I already texted my wife, she should be here with clothes around dinner time. So, now what? Okay, so while I wait for my clothes, I am going to try to make a camera dolly for this camera here so that I can take rolling shots across the table. I have a couple pieces of hardware. I have this thing. So this is the head off of the first tripod that we used. We don't use it anymore. We've got 3 other tripods and this one's kind of old and the legs would slip anyway. So we're going to go ahead and do this real quick while I wait for my clothes.